Can I use Gemini outside the US? Intro. Hey there, you're sitting at a cafe in Lagos, Nigeria. You're working on a project that requires a powerful AI assistant. You've heard about Gemini, Google's latest and greatest AI model, but you're not sure if it's available in Nigeria. Hook, can you use Gemini outside the US? That's the question we're going to answer today. Let's dive in. Building context. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about why Gemini is such a big deal. Gemini is a multimodal AI model, meaning it can process and generate text, code, images, and audio. It's been trained on a massive amount of data, making it incredibly versatile and powerful. So, why would you want to use Gemini? Well, it can help you with a variety of tasks, such as writing emails and essays, translating languages, summarizing text, generating creative content, and much more. Answering the question. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Can you use Gemini outside the US? The short answer is, it depends. While Gemini is not currently available in all countries, Google has been expanding its availability over time. It's possible that Gemini will be available in Nigeria in the future. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Check Google's official channels. Google will usually announce when Gemini becomes available in new regions. Keep an eye on their blog and social media channels for updates. Use a VPN. If Gemini is not available in your country, you might be able to access it using a VPN. However, this is not always reliable, and it can violate the terms of service for some VPN providers. Consider alternative AI models. If Gemini is not an option for you, there are other powerful AI models available, such as OpenAI's GPT-4. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for using Gemini outside the US. Be patient. If Gemini is not available in your country yet, be patient. Google is constantly working to expand its availability. Learn about data privacy. When using any AI model, it's important to be aware of data privacy concerns. Make sure you understand how Gemini handles your data. Experiment and have fun. Gemini is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes. Don't be afraid to experiment and see what you can create with it. Conclusion. So, can you use Gemini outside the US? Maybe. It depends on where you live and whether Google has made Gemini available in your region yet. If you're eager to try Gemini, keep an eye on Google's official channels for updates. And if Gemini is not available in your country, consider exploring other powerful AI models. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, keep exploring the exciting world of AI.